A gumball got stuck in this container right here.
And what do we do to fix it?
I use a screwdriver to make it work.
Can you show me?
You put it the right way, okay?
Okay. Bless you.
Thank you.
So once it lines up, then you can turn the inside gear, right? Go slow. Here, let me help you, okay? I'll hold on to this. You take this all the way towards you.
Oh, it told me?
Yep. Other way. The longer way. There you go. Now it clicks in, right? And then what happens? You take the screw out, take the screwdriver out, just like a queen. Now push this back, and a gumball should come out.
Put this back.
Does that make sense?
So use the screwdriver, poke it in there.
Here, I'll hold it for you.
There.
Now take the screwdriver out.
Take the screwdriver out.
And then push it back.
I want to do it.
Okay, you do it.
The last one.
Good job.
Okay, here's the last one.
High five.